In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get WooCommerce set up on your WordPress site. WooCommerce is an incredibly powerful tool for transforming your basic website into a full-fledged online store. So, let's dive right in and get you started on your e-commerce journey. First things first, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for all things WordPress, and it's where you'll manage your site's plugins, pages, and content. To get there, simply go to your website's URL and add admin at the end. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Next, we're going to navigate to the Plugins section, which you'll find on the left-hand side menu of your dashboard. Hover over Plugins, and another menu will pop up. Here, you'll click on Add New. This is where you can find and install the various plugins that will enhance your WordPress site's functionality. In the Add Plugins page, you'll see a search bar at the top right. Here, type in WooCommerce. WooCommerce is developed by Automatic, which is the same team behind WordPress itself, ensuring it's reliable and integrates seamlessly. Once you've typed it in, you'll see a list of options. Make sure to find the official WooCommerce plugin developed by Automatic. The correct plugin should appear pretty quickly in the search results, and you'll recognize it by its high number of active installations and ratings. When you've located the official WooCommerce plugin, you'll notice an Install Now button. Go ahead and click that button. The installation process should only take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, the button you just clicked will change to Activate. Clicking Activate is crucial because this step actually enables the plugin and integrates it with your WordPress site. Without activation, WooCommerce will just sit in your plugins list without doing anything. So go ahead and click Activate now. And just like that, you've taken a significant step toward transforming your website into a dynamic online store. With WooCommerce activated, you'll have access to a variety of settings and tools to customize your store, manage products, handle payments, and much more. Spend some time exploring these features and consider visiting the WooCommerce Setup Wizard, which can guide you through the essential configurations like payment methods, shipping options, and more. Congratulations! You've successfully installed and activated WooCommerce on your WordPress site. It's a fantastic e-commerce solution that offers a lot of flexibility and power. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy selling!